Hello people, trust you are doing good today. I'll be making an attempt to draw the template on your screen. So let's begin. In this template, I'm going to be applying the principles of tangency as shown in my last video. And I did promise that I'm going to be solving this particular question. This is one of the first question out of the two I posted on the last video that I'm going to be solving. Now to this particular question, now we have a center, two circles, okay, not having the same center. All right, as you can see on your screen. So let's begin on by starting off from this particular point here. Okay, from this point now I'm going to be drawing that for the center of the first circle there. That is circle O. Let me drop this line further. So this is point O. All right, so the distance between the two circle, center of the two circle is 70. So this is 70. So I'm going to produce this way. Okay, then let me drop this a little. Okay, you may not bother dropping that because it's not that needful. So the center of that circle, the radius of this first circle here is radius 25, as you can see on the screen. So I will stretch my compass to 25 this way to produce the circle. I will produce the circle this way. Now for the second circle, okay, this is not the center. As you can see, there is a height given to us for the center of this other circle. The height is 15, so I will pick 15 from my ruler with my compass. So the 15 needle at this point here have this. So this will be the center of the second circle there as P. Okay, so the radius is 15. So with this same 15, okay, needle at this point P, which will be the center of the second circle. So I will draw this, produce this circle this way. So this will be the center. Have it this way. Okay, so that is the center of the circle. Now what remains here now is the application of the principle of tangency. If you watch the last video I posted on this channel, I did make some detailed explanation about the principle of tangency. So I'm going to be applying those principles here. Now if you haven't seen that video, you can go and check it so that you understand what I'm about to do here. If not, you will not understand it, so you need to check it. So what I'm going to do now for this part here, if you look at this, the arc that is produced here, the arc radius given is what 100. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to say, because the arc here is embracing this circle here, the arc is embracing, so I will try to separate them. So I'm going to say 100 minus 25, 100 minus 25. Okay, so which is going to give me 75. So what I'm going to do is simple. I will use this 75. Okay, stretch my compass to 75. Stretch my compass to 75. Okay, this 75. I'm going to leave it at this point. Now where will I draw the circle? Now if you look at that arc, okay, if you look at that arc here, okay, it goes like this. So this arc the rate I'm going to be producing will be at the top like this. Okay, so that when I want to draw it, it will come like that. Okay, so for the next part, to know what I'm going to be intersecting this arc with, I'll come to this other side. You can see this way inside this place. Okay, it's leaving the circle, it's not embracing it. So if it's leaving it, I'll try to bring it together, okay, by saying the arc radius, which is 100. I will say 100. Okay, it's going to be 100, okay, plus 15. That's 15. 100 plus 15, this 5, those, that is 105 to centimeter, that is 11.5. So I will stretch my compass to 11.5. 11.5. Okay, this 11.5. We need to on point P, okay, to draw this arc intersection. So the next thing I'm going to do, I will stretch my compass to the arc radius. The arc radius given to us is 100. So I will stretch my compass to 100. Okay, with this same 100 now, I will needle on this point now. If I needle on this point, it's going to be picking this like this, and it will hold it like that. Okay, I hope you can see that. So I will highlight it later. Okay, so this is the point. So the next thing now is to draw the arc above here. So for the arc above here, you can see that the arc is embracing this circle, it's holding it. So when it's holding it, I'll try to separate it like I said in the my previous video. So the arc radius here is 15. I mean the radius of this circle is 15, and the arc radius here is 60, as we can see on our screen. So because it's holding it, I'll separate. So I will say 60 minus 15, so that should give us 45. So what I'm going to do now, I will stretch my compass to 45, 4.5. So this 45. So needle on this point, the midpoint there. Okay, the arc is going to be produced below, under like this. That's why I'll produce the arc. Okay, I'll produce the arc under. So the next thing now is for this other side. You can see that the arc there is leaving the circle, so I'll try to bring them together. So the arc radius there is 60. So 60, I'm going to be adding that arc radius 60 with the radius of this circle, which is 25. So that will give me 85. So I will stretch my compass to 85 now. 85. Stretch my compass to 85. Just okay, this is 85 now. I will need you on point O to intersect this circle. Okay, just take note of the point of intersection. So at that point of intersection now, I will stretch my compass to radius 60. Radius 60. So this is radius 60. So I'm going to I'll place that at this point now. That's 60. Okay, which will produce this. Okay, so what I will just do now, I will just take out the major part and we are done. So here it is. So you see all of this arc, do not clean them. This continuous circle, all these parts, do not clean them, just leave them. Just make sure you take out the main part like this, okay, to show the main feature of the template. Thank you very much for staying tuned. See you in my next video. God bless you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for viewing. God bless you.